Hey guys, so we're doing a quick unboxing of the Ultimaxx series 42800mm Super HD telephoto lens. Hope it's not broken because they apparently didn't even bother to put it in bubble wrap, right? So let's hope the guys that delivered it did not just throw it around. So I guess this is an adapter ring. I have no idea about. And here's the actual lens, which is again not in a bubble wrap. My God. So there it is. It's for a Nikon. I'm using a Nikon D5200 that I got from my friend. So we're gonna check it out if this works or the guys that delivered it messed it up. Alright, so go. There, see, and then we screw this in. Got it in. And there's a bracket here that you can tighten so that you can mount it on a tripod or monopod, and it also has its own cover. Problem is I don't have anything. Oh, there, got it there. See, now I just need to remove this lens cover that doesn't fit my other one, so I need to use the old one that's going to be attached to the camera there. And then here it is. So basically what I found out was that, see this lock open? You put it in the open, okay? And then that lets you extend the lens to its maximum to 800mm, right? So then you just lock it again. That's the what when you use, and then adjust this in the front for manual focus, right? Okay, and then just open it again so you can slide it back and close it back if you don't want to use it fast, the most extension. And then remove this, and then to use it in the Nikon D5200, okay, you screw it in here just like screwing anything, right? Clockwise, okay, and then you just match this white one there and then clip it on. This is for the stand, which you're actually gonna need if you're gonna use the entire thing, because it's gonna end up shaky, right? You can't use the cover for this one, so every time you need to keep it, you need to remove this adapter ring and then cover it up on your side. This is the first time I've bought extra lens for any of the cameras that I have. I have a 5200 and I have a 40D from Canon. So not sure if this one is gonna work for the Canon, because I'm pretty sure it was meant for a Nikon or Nikon, right? So as you can see, even the one that they gave me is broken, but as you can see here, it says optical, it's semi-apochromatic, lens construction is HD glass for E/2G, focal length is 420 to 800mm, aperture is f8.3 to 16, fixed iris, zoom system, linear, push-pull, focus system manual, minimum focus distance is 5.2 feet, filter size is 62mm, mount type is a T-mount, and dimensions is there. Okay, and it comes with a with a case, keep the lens safe. Let's hope it is able to do the job. And that's the quick unboxing, guys. I'm not a professional photographer, right? I have no idea about I know how to use the camera and all this stuff, but